Yeah, see this algorithm you have to follow. What is this initial state of DFA? Same as the initial state of NFA. Okay. Before that, we are having one more this one. Let me change that one. Then I will see. Yeah. I hope you are clear with this NFA conversion of NFA to DFA. This is a DFA which I this is a NFA which is there. That is A to A is A and A to B is B. It's here. A to A is A and A to A is B means immediately we can understand this is NFA. This NFA we have to convert into DFA. There are two methods to convert the NFA into DFA. The first method is here. What you have to do first? By seeing this NFA, you have to draw the transition table. That is delta n. See here, delta n. Then I've given A, B, and input symbols are A, B. A to A, where I should go? A to A, I'm going to A as well as B. That's why I'm writing A, comma B. A to B, I am not having any transition from A with input symbol B. So that's why I'm going to empty. Nothing means null I'm writing. Then B. B to A, comma B is BB only. So this is a transition table of NFA. By taking the help of this transition table, we are going to draw the transition table of DFA. By taking help of this transition table of NFA, we are going to draw the transition table of DFA. So how to draw the transition table of DFA? It's important. Same thing you take transition D, A, B, but what it may be. Whatever the possible states you found here, that all states you write down here. Null I have written, A I have written, B I have written, and A comma B I have written. Whatever the states you found, all the states you write down. Now, null to A, you should prefer this table. Null to A, we don't have anything here. That's why I'm taking null only. Null to B also, we don't have in this table anything. That's why null. But A to A, what you are having A to A in this transition table of NFA? A to A, I'm having A comma B. Please put that A comma B here. Next, A to B. A to B is null, so put null. B to A is B. B to B is B. Put in by seeing this transition table. Now you're having one more A comma B. A comma B to A, we don't have, but you have to check it. A to A, you're having A comma B. So write down A comma B here. Again, A to B also you need to check. Like this. A to A is A comma B. But what is B to A? B to A is again B. So A comma B, it makes same. That's why A comma B. Now B comma B is B. So I've written B. So this is the first method of drawing the transition table. This is the first method to draw the transition table. Now, once you draw the transition table, from the transition table, you can draw the DFA. That's it. Done. Over. This is method 1. Method 1 is simple, but method 2, we are following some technology here, or not technology, I can say we are following some technique. So what is the technique you see here? I'll wipe it first so that you can get a clarity. This is second method. I'll explain you by drawing only. I should explain, then only you'll understand it. See here. This is the table. It's the transition of D. Transition of D. Okay. Now, here I am taking small a, and I am taking small b. Can you see the difference now? See the difference here. What can I take? Capital A, capital B. Sorry. Here only the difference is there. Here I have to take, all of you listen carefully. Here I have to take the initial state. What is the initial state of NFA? That initial state I need to take here. I have taken as the initial state of NFA. After that, you should use the same table to find out. A to A, what I'm having here? A to A, it is given in this transition table of NFA, that is A comma B. So I can write A comma B. Fine. Next, what about this B? A to B, what you are having? A to B, null you are having. So take null. Fine. This is done. Now, what is the next state here? The next state is nothing but, did you find any new state here? In this row, in the first row, with respect to it, did you find any new row? New state? Yes. A comma B is a new state. So I'm going to consider A comma B. Whatever is found new here, you have to take it new. Okay, you have to take that new and you have to construct this. Now, see here. Now check it. A to A comma B to A means you have to go again. A to A means you are having A comma B. From this table only I am taking A to A, I am taking first. A comma B I am getting. Okay, comma anything is there. Let us say B comma B. B comma B means B only. So if I write again once again B, this will not look good. A comma B means the same thing. Why should we repeat it? That's what we are doing. We are deleting it. We are deleting this B. The extra B we are deleting. That's it. This is what. Now A comma B. A comma B you are getting null. Okay, fine. B comma B you are getting B. Null comma B means again it will become null. Null comma B means it will become B. Fine. This is there. Now any new state you find in this, in the first row you check A comma B is done, null is there. So take null also here. If you are getting new state, you have to take it. Now null to A very well you know it is null only. It will be null only. And here also null. There is null to A, null to B. Now, what is the new state you defined here? In the first row is done. In second row, yes, the new state is B. So I need to go with B. Because already A comma B we have done. Now I need to go with B. Now B to A is nothing but B only. A to B is also B only. That's it. Done. DFA. This transition table of DFA is done. More or the same, both are equal only here. You can observe this table and this table. The technique is here, by taking an initial state of NFA and using a transition table of NFA, you are designing the transition table of DFA. That is A to A comma B. A to B is null. Like that. Now, what is the new state among these two? These two you should take. These two new states. This is the one new state you found here. So please take that new state here. Then afterwards find out again A comma A, B comma A you should write here. A comma B comma B you should write here. Like that, any new state, the next new state is null here. Take a null and write. Then in the second row, what is new state here? B is a new state. So write down new state. Like that, you can construct the DFA. By taking help of this transition table, we have constructed the DFA. So this is our DFA. A to A is A comma B. Then null also. So we are taking null state also B. Then A comma B to A is A comma B. So that's why self loop here. Then A comma B to B is B to B. Null comma A comma B is self loop. B comma B means again B comma A comma B is a B. This is a DFA. This is not a minimized DFA, but this is the DFA. Like this is a method to convert from NFA to DFA. Any doubt anybody is having here? Yes, any doubt anybody is having? Remaining people are sleeping, not replying anything. I'm asking a question. What
No
about
doubt, sir.
Arun, Raj, Rajesh, Winslet 5? What is that number? What about the remaining people? One by one, tell with audio. Any doubt you're having, you can ask. Sharanya, 508. Huh? Not sleeping, no, 3 to 4. Already strength is also less. I don't know what's the problem with your class. Every time strength will be less. Not interested to study only such people, I think so. Huh? What to do with such a less strength? So they're all going to detain. If it is like that, they're not attending this, they're going to get detained with their credits. Because they are not reading means they will not understand, they will not write anything exam, they will fail. Let them not come, it's up to them. We are telling, informing you to come. This is too bad strength today. What about remaining people? Remaining people understood or not? Only a few who are responding. What about remaining people? Five 45? 545. 548. 548.
Sir.
What happened? Where are you? You are roaming here and there. What happened, Anna?
No, nothing, sir.
Then after calling, so after 1 minute you are coming. Means you are not in the class. Somewhere you are, right?
No, sir. I'm here only.
Then why are you not responding immediately? You should know that you are telling true or false. You should only know. I am living for you only. That is true or not. I am calling from long time. 1 minute I wait. We respond or not. Maybe it will be somewhere. You will come back. What was the concept which I have explained just now? Yes, Rachana. Can you tell me which concept I explained just now? Yes. What happened? You are not responding.
Sir, NFA.
So what is the difference between NFA and DFA? You wait like that silent. I'll also wait like this silent. This meeting is getting recorded.
No, sir.
Then what's the difference between NFA and DFA?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Why you are not listening in the class?
No, sir. I'm listening.
Then why no idea? You are not written any notes. Open your notes. You are having notes or not?
Yes, sir. I'm having.
Then open that notes.